No, but really, I think it's better.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's the best option at this point.
Because you're saving cost. You're saving a lot of money.
Of course. Not even cost and all the whole stress involved.
Yeah, baby. That's true.
Hey!
Guess what?
What is that, my what?
I made it! I topped the class!
Of course! That's my beautiful angel. The most brilliant. Huh? My smart daughter. Like father, like daughter. Whoa! First out of 15 in the class.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Wow, that's great. Let me see. Well, I am not disappointed. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything less than this. She's very smart, intelligent, and I don't know anyone who would have taken the first position, if not you. My smart baby.
Thank you, Mommy.
Thank you for making us proud. And honey, 1 year from now, she's done with secondary school.
Sure.
Right?
Of course, Mom. Guess what? I will definitely make it. Universities will be the one asking me to come study in their school.
I bet they will.
I'm sure of that. Like father, like daughter.
Clara. Clara, baby. Sweetheart, let me see your result. Why are you standing there? Come on. What was your position?
What do you expect? She will come last in her class.
Honey, let me have your result.
Does it matter? Even if I come out first, you and Dad can never celebrate me the way you celebrate Ego in this house. What do you mean? You understand what I'm talking about. By the way, I tried. I came out 42 out of 45.
What did I say? 42 out of 45 in class.
Well, honey, I think she's right. I mean, she tried this time around. Yes, the last time she was 45 out of 45. This time around, 42 out of 45. A step at a time. She's doing well.
Honey?
Yeah.
Did I hear you well? That she tried? 42 out of 45.
We have to cut her some slacks.
Do you think I pluck money from trees? I suffer to make money, honey. She's in one of the best schools in this city. What is she lacking? Anything she wants, I provide it. What is she lacking? Come, why can't you be like your sister? What is wrong with you? Huh?
But Dad, I tried now. I did my best, and the school gave me this score. Huh? If it's about making it in life, you've already made it. The only thing you do is just find one tall, fair, handsome, rich guy and get married to.
Young lady, are you insane? No, is something wrong with you? What did you just say? Find you one tall, cute, handsome man to get married to. That's the only thing in that coconut head of yours. Instead of you to think of how to work hard and emulate your sister here, you're thinking of a man to get married to. Or you think rich men marry daft girls, empty brains.
Mom, what wrong have I done? Huh? Well, if you and Dad are done celebrating Ego, your precious daughter, you both should not forget you have another daughter. Huh? And at least try and appreciate the little things she does in this house. Yes, I know. I know I'm not where I'm supposed to be. But at least I'm not where I used to be before. Other times, I used to get 45 out of 45. But now I got 42. I passed 3 people. It's not easy. I appreciate my little efforts.
Get out.
Dad.
I said, get out.
You guys, what you people are doing is not fair.
Get out!
Celebrate my little...
I said, get out! I don't want to lose it.
Congratulations, my love. Thank you. So proud of you.
She's getting me pissed.
Honey, please just take it easy.
No! No! I am a child of this family. I'm not a stranger. So I refuse to be treated like a stranger! No! 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 Ah! I'm not a stranger! I'm not a stranger!
You know, I'm so impressed. I'm so impressed with Ego. She's so brilliant. Brilliant and smart.
Yeah, she is. I'm so happy for her. And I am proud of her. But, really, honey, don't you think we should cut Clara some slack? I mean, the girl is trying. She's beginning to go to school now, enjoy going to school now. I think what we should do is encourage her. And we should also talk to Ego to help in encouraging her and not raising shoulders around her, making her feel like she's nothing, she's not worth it, or she's better than her. Yes, she might be, but she shouldn't rub it off on her.
Honey? Really?
But that's the truth.
Are you the one saying this? What haven't we done for Clara? Just mention that one thing. One thing that we've not done for Clara. You and I will know that Clara doesn't like going to school. We're practically forcing her to go to school. Except recently that she developed interest. Maybe there is something that is really pushing her to go to school right now, but I can't explain what that thing is. Talking about how she can't do anything, so tell me, how do you want us to help her?
Honey, like I said, we need to start encouraging her. Making her feel bad is not going to solve any problem. Yes, we need to start. Do it with love. That's what I'm trying to say.
And to the best of my knowledge, we've not cautioned her with hate, have we?
Honey, we can't give up on her. She's our daughter. We have to keep trying. And then being so mean and so angry at her is not going to change anything. I think we have to encourage her.
With this girl? What is wrong with Clara? What demon has possessed her? She'll get it from me. What did I do to you? First and last time you tried this rubbish. What did I do? Huh? What did I do to you? What did I do? Ah! You hit me! And I will hit you more like a child that you are. Who are you thinking? That tearing up my result will change anything? I made it. And I made it. I have soft copy of it. Tearing up my result will not change anything. Try and be sensible and use your brain for once. I should use my brain. Huh? All thanks to you. Because no matter how I try to use my brain in this house, nobody appreciates me because of you. Sometimes I feel like I shouldn't use my brain anymore. No matter how hard you try to use your brain, it's still empty. Sit up, read, study and be somebody in life. You don't do anything. You can't do anything. You're just a useless waste of space.
How dare you call me that?
How dare you call me that? How dare you go to me like that?
What is going on here? Stop it! What is it? What is the meaning of this nonsense? Huh?
Mom, it's Ego. I just walked into the room and she attacked me. I didn't do it because I wanted to. She stole my results.
Did you do that?
Mom?
I got? Young lady, I asked you a simple question. Did you tear her result?
Yes, mother. Someone has to teach her a lesson. She's the only best student in this house. Everybody wants me to be like her. I know!
Will you shut up when you call a mouth? Is this who I am training you to become? A jealous witch? Huh? No, is this a young lady you're planning on growing up to become? Really? Listen, if you have a problem with her being first in school and you being the last at Olodo, my darling, you sit up and study so you become something better. Rather than you being jealous of your elder sister for that matter. Don't you know you're supposed to accord her some respect? Huh? Are you stupid or something?
Mom,
others are busy trying to succeed and you are here trying to become a big witch.
Mom, you slapped me.
And I will slap you again in case you didn't feel the first one. Do you want it again? No, young lady, do you want me to dish out another one on you? Silly. This is not whom I am training. This is not what I want you to become in life. And you better sit up. I'm so sorry, my dear. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Don't worry, we have a soft copy, okay? We can always print out another one if you want. Huh? It's okay. I'm sorry.
Dad.
How are you, little girl?
You're welcome, Daddy.
Thank you. Where's your sister?
She's
Don't worry, this is not for you. Baby girl, how are you?
welcome.
Thank you. This is for you. It's a gift for you.
Thank you so much, Dad. God bless you.
Bless you too.
Mommy.
Wow, congratulations. Honey, this is beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Yeah, you deserve it.
As long as you keep coming first in your class, you'll keep getting gifts from me.
Thank you, Dad. You deserve it, okay? Congrats.
Dad, what of mine?
Anyway, gifts are for those who comes first in the class, not those who comes last in the class.
Dad, you bought a gift for your favorite child and you didn't get me anything.
Well, young lady, just like your father said, gifts are for those who learn, who work hard to become first in class, not those who lazy around and wait for everything to be handed over to them. And you should know that in this family, we do not celebrate nonsense, so stop the rubbish.
Very well. Are yours?
That's okay. That's good. Oh, thank you. Only for you. Nice, right?
Mom, you're here.
Yes, I am here. And I have a gift for you.
After hitting me the other day.
Take. Aren't you going to say thank you to your mother?
Thank you.
You're just a child. Listen, baby. It is important people see me as a good mother and a fair one. I do not have to discriminate. They have to see that I love both of you equally. Until we have achieved our goal, which is to eliminate her, we have to play it fair.
But that girl, she's getting on my nerves.
I know she's getting on your nerves, but you have to tolerate her while we do the work at the background. Do you understand? Do you get it now?
Yes, Mama.
Good girl. Come here. Come here.
What are you fighting for? When no one is fighting you, don't you know peace is...
I need you to understand that I am your mother. And you should never doubt me, okay? I've got you. I've got you.
With peace in my heart,
Open your gift.
there are too many wars
trust
in
me,
the
you will love
world.
it.
I know one start my own.
My man!
Chriso.
Hey! I can't wait to get married so that I can be as happy as you are. Because this kind of happiness all over you is the one that comes from wife.
You know, Chris, it's a thing of joy when you see your daughter comes first. In a class of 50, Ego is so intelligent. Ego is so smart.
Right.
You know, she gladdens my heart, I have to be honest with you. And I think it's about time I need to bring her here in the office and start grooming her so she can take over from me when I finally retire.
Amazing idea. Probably during her break time. She could even be coming here as your PA. You know, maybe the secretary will be putting her through. And that will do a lot more good.
You know, Chris, you just made a very good point. I will think about that. Maybe when they're on break next time.
Oh, break. I thought I heard you said she just had her result. That means they are currently not on break.
Really? It was just a very short break of 1 week.
Okay.
And as the school system operates, the results is always ready when they resume for the new class, okay? So I'm looking at their last time where she's going to have like 2-3 months break. So I'll bring her in and I'll start grooming her for her to take over. You know, that girl is just like her mother, Juan, my late wife. You know, Juan was so smart, intelligent, you know, and let me not fail to ask that she's multitasking, you know. Juan will be doing house chores at the same time doing office work, and she's still pregnant. I honestly don't know why good people doesn't last.
Let's say it's irony of life, you know?
Right.
Yeah. It's well. It's all I must say. What about Mabel? You know, she has been supportive. I'm sure she has been there all along, you know, over the years.
Oh, Mabel is a good woman. As a matter of fact, Mabel came into my life when I lost direction. She became an instrument in my life and that of Ego, you know. But you see, Clara, my second daughter, honestly, I don't seem to understand that girl. Educationally, she's... I don't even know how to qualify her educationally, but she's just on a 0 degree. I don't even know what to do for her to pick up, honestly.
You know, I always say that that we all have different faces. That is how our individual characters all differs as well. You know, children can never be the same. Everyone cannot turn out to be the same. Do you understand? Aside giving them support and proper direction, I think parents have this obligation to also pray for their children. Prayer can go a long way. Prayer can do anything. You know, aside providing all the necessities and all necessary things that kids may require, one has to go spiritually to commit them into the hands of the Almighty for divine direction. Pray for them so there will be a divine direction. You just made a very valid point. Prayer.
If you want to say something to me, say it. Stop looking at me.
The life you think you have will be taken from you.
Are you threatening to kill me? Bring it up. If it's a threat, make it.
I don't make threats. I don't. Because of you. My mother laid her hands on me. You cannot come between my mother and I.
She's also my mother. If she raised her hands on you, that's because you might have done something wrong. What is wrong with you? Why do you hate me that much?
Why will I not hate you? Tell me. Why should I not hate you? Everybody wants you. Everybody praises you. You are mommy and daddy's girl. When it comes to gifting, nobody reasons me. When it comes to praising, I am likely invisible. So tell me why I should be among the least of the people that like you. I have to hate you for a change.
And you decided to bear the hate. Come on, darling. You are hurting yourself. You hate me. It's you having headache. It's you having the pain, not me. I am living my life and I am happy. But if you make any attempt of hurting me to the point of taking my life, don't think of it, Clara, because you're too smart to do that. And do not take my silence for weakness. Do not take my love for you for foolishness. If you make any attempt to hurt me, don't try it. Don't ever think of it. Because if you try it, I'm going to throw all caution to the wind and give you a befitting reply. And you will not be able to handle it. I'm warning you. Can I ask you a question, Mom?
Of course you can. What is it?
Have you noticed that Clara has this animosity towards me?
Animosity? Why do you say so?
I have noticed it severally. She has it. I don't know why she's always angry at me. Or what she hates me for. It's no longer funny. Mom, you need to do something.
Sweetheart, you don't need to worry about Clara, okay? First of all, she does not hate you. Clara does not... She does not want to make something out of her life. And she's trying every means possible to put the blame on somebody. And who better if not you? So just ignore her, okay?
Mom, we need to do something about this. I just feel like each passing day, her anger builds and her hatred becomes stronger. I don't want her to do something stupid.
Ego, my darling, like I said, ignore your sister. She's all talks and no action. Besides, she's still young. I believe with time she will outgrow it, okay? Just don't let it bother you.
Mom, I wasn't this angry when I was her age. I think something is fueling her anger. Or maybe someone.
Something is swelling her anger.
I don't.
Who do you think is doing that?
I don't know. But it's no longer healthy. Mom. If Clara continues like this, she's going to destroy herself, not me.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes. Is there a problem?
No, there's no problem. I was just watching you from behind and I was admiring you. You know, you're hot. And I think every girl in this school is crushing on you.
Really?
Yes.
But I don't see myself as that.
Oh, you don't? You're very modest.
Thank you.
So, tell me. Take a look at me. What do you think about me?
Think about you? What do you mean, think what I think about you?
I mean, I'm the most beautiful girl in this school. And every guy wants to be with me. But you know, I'm just rejecting them because I want to. You know, I'm from a rich family. I'm not poor. And I don't mind spending few nairas on you if you accept to be my boyfriend.
Is that how you go about asking people out? At your age? What makes you think I would be in a relationship with you when there are better girls in the school?
Wait. Are you trying to insult me? Eh? What's the meaning of this rubbish you're saying?
I'm stating the fact. A girl at your age. Come on. Your parents should do more than this.
Don't you dare involve my parents into this. Are you okay? Claims. Because I like you now, you're insulting me.
I'm not insulting you. You're doing it yourself.
Say that to me. So now, ego is now better than me. Yeah? Clems, I promise you, you will regret everything you said to me now. You will regret everything. Rubbish.
My pleasure. Are you ready to do what I asked of you now?
What did you ask of me?
You know what I asked you? I asked you to be my girlfriend. You have been ignoring me. Are you ready to be my girlfriend now?
Dating you has nothing to do with doing it for you. If I want to date you, I should be doing it because I want to. I did not come to school to have a boyfriend or waste my time on relationship. If after school and something clicks between us, then you and I, we are leaving school this term. We'll graduate and we'll leave school. Why not? Then we can consider relationship. But for now, this just remain the friends that we are. That's it.
We can study together. What is wrong you studying with me?
Thank you.
Sort of nonsense. Everything ego, 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 ego. Like nobody exists except his precious daughter ego. When it comes to ego's education, nobody else matters. Like the world stands still practically for ego to go to school and become somebody precious, somebody great. And when it comes to my precious daughter Clara, of course there will be terms and conditions, things we have to meet up before they can now attend to my own daughter. How Daniel forgets that he has another daughter called Clara is still what I don't understand. Clara has to go to school. She has to be someone in life. She has to do great in life, and that is my job as her mother, because no woman will sit by and watch her daughter be neglected. What is this? Like all the way home, ego, 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 ego. You have another daughter. Her name is Clara before I shout this house down. Well, I have to do what I have to do. As a good mother, and as one who is not lazy, I have to make sure that my daughter is included. And as for you, Ego, since you feel you're better than my daughter, the almighty precious Ego, watch me ruin your life. I will ruin your life and make sure that the only thing you are left with is shame. Except my name is not Mabel. Ego. Your mother is dead.
I'm sorry I'm laughing. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. It's just so funny. I told you not to meet him. Clemson is the hottest boy in this school. I don't even know what he sees in your sister.
Whatever Clara wants, Clara gets. I will not sit, fold my hands and let Ego take him away from me. Never. I like him, and I will definitely get him. Ego cannot win me in this.
So what do you intend to do? I think you should do something crazy to your sister. Something that will put her off forever, and she would never then in her life mess with you again.
I understand. I will teach her a lesson. First of all, I will mess her up before our parents. Yes, then I will turn her father against her before I strike her.
That's my friend talking. That is my friend talking. Strike while the rod is still hot. Do something, my friend. Do something. Do it fast.
What are you fighting for? When no one is fighting you, don't you know peace is
That guy is from a rich home. Don't you get it?
I wanna take my life.
He's one of the finest boys in school. Everybody is after him. He's also intelligent. You know how gets drawn over him in the class, and you said no.
I came to school to study. I didn't come to have relationship or forget where I'm coming from. I came to study, and study I will. Come on, girl. I don't want to fall my own hand now. What am I even saying? My father will not be proud if he finds this out.
And who is going to tell your father? You're no longer a child, for crying out loud. You are a teenager. You need to have a boyfriend that will take good care of you and make you happy.
If he truly wants to be in my life, then he will wait. I don't want to waste my time. Let's just remain the friends that we are. That's it.
You better take this guy now you can know. By the time you are ready, when you come back, he will be gone.
If that happens, then he was not meant for me. All I want is my sanity while I study. I don't want to get into a relationship. Then when the drama comes, I'll start getting confused between my studies and my love life. I don't want that. If he wants to be with me, he will wait. If he doesn't, so be it.
You get my shower. Girl, she says so.
How dare you? Ah? How dare you go after my man? How dare you? Ah!
Are you mad? What is giving you wings? How dare you stop me and tell me nonsense? What is wrong with you, Clara? How dare you lay your hands on me?
Is that the question I asked you? Huh? And is that the reason you lay your stupid hands on me? I can see you're taking this senior sister stuff too serious.
I haven't started. Because if I start, I'll beat you every day of your life because you're losing your senses. Who are you fighting over? Clem? Did he tell you that he likes you?
It's none of your business. Yes, it's not your business. That's a conversation between him and I. Yes.
If you have that conversation and he tells you that he likes you, then if you have any issue, go to him. Don't you ever try to block my way next time. Did I promise you any loyalty? Did I?
Stay away from Clems. Stay away from him. He's mine. I have my eyes on him. Let him be.
At what age? You have your eyes on him. Instead of you to have your eyes on your books and be reasonable, you are after a man.
Who are you? No, tell me. Who are you to tell me what to do with my life? No, tell me. Why do people go to school? If not to get a job and have a good living. Listen, parents has achieved a lot. So I can't be stressing myself because of school.
Really? You don't need to stress yourself? That is why you are an empty vessel. No man wants to marry a liability now. Okay? You are having your eyes on Clem and you think Clem will waste his time being with an empty vessel? He will never do that. And as for fighting for him, I would definitely not fight. Because Clem is not a child. If he wants you, he will definitely come for you. But if he doesn't, that's your luck. Next time you stop me and talk this rubbish, trust me, I will beat you black and blue. Don't dare.
And if I do?
Do I need to remind you? This is school premises. Go home first and see how I flog you like a child.
I need to do something. I need to do something very strong. Ego, you are biting more than you can chew. No one respects me at home. Even at school, nobody respects me anymore. All because of you. Ego, you will hear from me.
Dad, Mom, I'm going out for choir practice.
Oh, yeah. Okay, baby, just be careful out there, huh? And make sure you come back early.
If you encounter any problem, please put a call across to us.
Dad, I'm not a child. I'll find my way home.
Oh, you are so protective.
Whether you're a child or not, we're still your parents. We need to take care of you, honey.
And Mom, I thought you... Hey!
What is it? Jesus.
What is this?
Dad, I don't know how that got into my hymn book. Ego. What do you mean by you don't know how it got into your hymn book? Is it not your hymn book? So all this while, anytime you're telling us you're going for your choir practice, You used to go and see someone. No. You used to branch somewhere else.
Ego, I am so disappointed in you. You of all people that I walk around the streets everywhere with my shoulders raised high, telling everybody how proud I am of you. And here you are letting me down. What is this doing in your in-book? So, wait, where exactly were you going to? Oh, jeez.
Ego, you said you don't know how this condom got into your hymn-book. So did it develop wings and flew into your hymn-book or what? So each time you leave this house, you tell us you're going for choir practice, but you enter up in a man's house.
Dad, let me say something.
What do you want to say? How do you want to defend it? That you found condom in your hymn-book? What do you want to say?
And everybody sees me as the spoiled child. Eh? Everybody sees me as the bad egg. But look at your precious daughter now. Going around with CD. Who knows? Something I know I cannot even do in this life. Eh? Hey!
Dad, let me defend myself.
What do you want to say? Huh? What do you want to say? Tell me! What do you want to say? Go back to the house right now. I said go back! Go back to the room.
Dad, let her be, please. Forgive her. You won't blame her. We are young. It's bound to happen. Child.
Life can be ruthless, so unfair. I have to be strong. Oh, everything is not working out. I don't know what to do. Don't know who to talk to. Yeah, the ground is chasing me. The sky is chasing me. Where will I go? I wish I can fly away. Fly away from here. Go and fly away. I wish I can fly away. Go and fly away. Go and away from here. Go and fly away. I have to be strong. I have to fight back on my battles. 8,000 by my left, 10,000 by my right. I have the strength of a million men. Yeah, no matter the weather, I will survive. Although I'm getting tired, I wish I can fly away.
Will you shut up and get out?
What's wrong with you? Eh? What's wrong with you? Have you lost it? What a despicable act! Why not take responsibility for your actions? Why won't you do that? And next time you lay your hands on her, I swear I'll beat you in such a way that people begin to ask if I'm your biological father. You stupid! Come here! Come here! My friend, come here! Come back here! It's
alright. That slap was something else. I mean, it was epic.
I mean, I didn't see that coming. I can't believe that a day will come when Daniel will raise his hands on his daughter.
Mother, you should trust me now. Huh? You should know what I can do. I mean, I did a good job, a perfect work.
I don't understand, Clara. What do you mean?
It was all me.
Wow. Girl, you did that? That was clever. But you could have been caught, you know.
Same thing I thought of. But now you see what I achieved with a single move of mine.
Well, I understand, my darling. I mean, that was a master plan. That was a smart one. But next time you have to be very careful. Do you understand? Though you went far this time around, but next time I want you to go even farther. Stronger. But you have to be smart about it.
I will, mother.
Come here. No, now you're behaving like your mother. Now you're beginning to use your head. But next time be careful.
Dania, I must tell you that this doesn't sound good. Huh? How can you, of all people, raise hands on your daughter? I mean, we know too well that your daughter is not capable of doing something like that.
Now, Chris, yes, I do. I know. I know. That is why I am bitter. That is why I am dying silently. That is why I feel this deep pain inside of me because I raised my hands against my lovely daughter. Can't you see it?
You went too far. Huh? You can see that is the consequences of being overprotective. And the girl we know so well, they cannot do it like that. You have to fix this. You have to fix it now. That is what I think you should do now. That girl trusts you so much.
Because that is why that trust she has in me is killing me because she couldn't imagine the fact that I, her father, can lift my hands to hit her. I can imagine the state of mind she was yesterday because I couldn't even sleep as well. I've just been protective as a father. And of course, that's what every father would do. But I know I've overstepped my boundary. That's why I'm feeling so bitter.
Well, I'm glad you realize you actually overstepped your boundaries. That sounds you're being remorseful. Look, you have to find a way to make it up to her. Please find a way. Calm her down. Calm the situation down. That is what I think you should do right now. Waste no time about it.
Grace, I am clueless on how to go about it.
You cannot be clueless. As she aids your daughter, you definitely would have a way to get through to her. Okro and akalahonye kroyane. You know be well. Find a way around her and talk to her. She will stay. She is your daughter. You can.
Do I have a minute, Dad?
Sure.
I know what happened between you and I was bad. And I lost faith in your eyes and trust. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Whatever it is, will never happen again.
But let it not happen again, because I will not take it.
Dad, in as much as you felt I did something wrong, I didn't do it. I don't know if that means anything to you, or if that holds any water. But your daughter will never disrespect you. I will never shame you. That was not from me. I will never do that. Even if I want to do something like that, I will never disrespect my holy hymn book. I will never do that. You have known me. But it's fine if you still doubt me. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
You've been like this for some time now. Practically all night. What is it?
I know I was mad with Ego, and for the very first time, I raised my hand and hit her. But you know, something deep down inside of me convinced me that Ego is innocent of that incident that happened.
Well, to be honest, I thought of the same thing. But then again, we cannot dispute the fact that the thing in question fell out of her hymn book.
And you know, if that condom had fell off from Clara's hymn book, I would have been convinced that Clara did it, but not Ego. Of course, you and I, we know that Ego cannot do it.
Well, honey, like I said, you have a point. But then again, it is Ego's hymn book we're talking about, her personal hymn book. One of the things she does not share with anybody. Exactly. And with the fact that these days she's always going out. I mean, it's either she's going for one choir practice, one fellowship, or one Bible study, or one... She's always going somewhere. So how are we sure that those places she's telling us she's going to is actually where she's going to?
You know what? You know, I'm just thinking anyway. What if it's someone that planted a condom in her hymn book?
Really, honey, you are taking this thing too far. What do you mean somebody set her up? We are talking about a house where we have 4 people living in it. You, me, Ego, Clara. I sure as hell did not do it. You didn't do it, or did you? Clara wouldn't even go that low. I know my daughter is mischievous, but she cannot go as low as doing a thing like that. I mean, do you know it was even awkward for me when the condom fell out and she saw it? Like, she's too young to be seeing things like that. I don't even know if she understands what that is. If not for the fact that they teach them things like that in school. Anyway, let's not go that side. What I am trying to say is, there is no conspiracy here. There is no setup going on here. Your daughter is growing up. She's becoming a woman.
Well, I am still not convinced that Ego did it.
So, honey, in essence, you're saying somebody did it. Your precious daughter didn't do it, right? You see, Daniel, this is the problem. Your daughter did something wrong. Instead of you to discipline her, caution her so she doesn't do it again, you're trying to put the blame on someone else so she would go scot-free and appear like the innocent girl. What is wrong with her making a mistake? She's a child. She's a teenager. She's growing up. She's becoming a woman. Boys are beginning to talk to her. Your child is beginning to get spoiled. So don't you think it is time for you to tighten up your discipline game instead of looking for who to blame for every silly thing your daughter does? Huh? Next, you tell me it's my daughter that did it.
Why do you take all these things you do? Why? It's not enough for you to be giving Clara gbasgbos in the house. It's very important to give her a very good setup that will ruin her life forever. Yes, she's your sister. She's supposed to be your sister. Why would she do something like that to you?
I don't even know why she hates me. I don't even understand. Her hatred for me keeps growing no matter how much love I show her. She keeps being angry.
Then set her up. Yes, she did it to you, do same to her. Put her in a bad condition that she can never understand where the heat is coming from.
The person you're talking about is my younger sister.
Yes.
She's my family. I will not be able to stoop to that level of trying to set her up. She has done that. And for the first time, my father raised his hand on me. For the first time, he doubted me, all because of her. But I will not stoop to her level. I will not pay her evil for evil. I will not do that.
So why are you complaining? Someone needs to put that girl in her place. Allow me to teach her a lesson. And she will get it hot.
Like I said, I'm telling you this because you are my friend. I'm just looking for where to unburden my heart. I'm not asking you to go and fight my sister, please.
Now I'm feeling like a king. I'm feeling like a queen.
You should. I am feeling like a queen. I mean, it's not easy at all. How? At all. I need to find you, my friend.
Find me.
I need to find you, my friend. How? One and only Clara. In the whole world.
No other Clara in this world.
Not at all.
Wow, so you are here. You are very excited. You are even drinking.
What are you saying?
You know what I'm saying? So you went home and set your sister up and made her look like a bad and indecent person before your parents. Come on, how cruel can you be? How cruel can you be?
Listen, I don't know what you're talking about.
Of course, you know what I'm talking about. But guess what? No matter what you do, you can never be like your sister. Ego is more better. She's more of a better person. When it comes to the academics, you are no match for her. When it comes to beauty, you are not match for her. The earlier you get that into your thick skull and rest, the better it will be for you.
Clem, how dare you talk to me that way? Is it because I love you? Wait, is it because I have feelings for you?
Thank God that she never made me look at you differently. Because an evil girl like you can never love anybody.
Wait, are you trying to say I don't love you?
You don't even love yourself. Someone who does not love her life, for herself or even for others. You don't give what you don't have. But the setup you did to your sister, it will take just a matter of time. Soon your parents will get to find out and know the truth.
Shut up. Just keep quiet. Huh? Since you suddenly become a puppet, it's always about her. Ego this, ego that. What is wrong with you? Listen, that slap my father gave her is just the beginning. She should get ready because more slaps are coming. Yes.
Is that all you can do? Tell me, is that all you can do? Try something else. Do something crazy. Think of something crazy so that the world can know that you are crazy.
Fine. Get ready. Just get ready. Because I'm going to do something more crazy.
Clara, don't mind him. Don't mind him. He can't do anything. Calm down. We'll think of something. Just leave him. Let him be. I don't even like him.
What's happened?
Ego was...
what happened?
Ego was run over by a car.
How? Where?
A car hit her. Just now. Where's Mom?
Honey? Are you sure that this is the place?
Yes. This way it happened. I mean, look at her blood.
Then where is she? Because she's not here. Huh?
I don't know. Immediately it happened. I was afraid. I just had to run home and call both of you.
You freaked out. If you have senses, the first thing you would have done was to rush her to the hospital, then put the call across to us. So where's she supposed to be now?
Hey, Daniel, you don't put this on my daughter. You don't put it on her. She was scared, I supposed. And then she didn't know what to do. She got scared and did the only thing she can remember, which is running back home. What is it? Stop opening fire on her. Let's look for... There you go.
I'm not opening any fire on anyone. The point is, where are we supposed to find her?
I don't know.
Let's leave here.
Go where? Can't we just look around and look for her?
Look for her where? How? Where?
I don't know. Let's ask people
ask
around.
Who?
I don't know anybody. Just ask. Let me ask you.
If I hear one more word from you, I swear I will skin you alive. What's the problem with you?
At my daughter. Stop yelling at her. Can't you see that she's a teenager herself? She did the only thing that came to her mind.
Teenager, my foot. Let's leave here now.
To where?
Anywhere. Everywhere. Police stations, hospitals, anywhere we can find her. Let's go and search for her.
Please hold on. Is she going to be okay? Is she responding to treatment? Will she be fine?
Don't worry, she's going to be fine, okay? She's going to be fine. We just need to do what we need to do best.
Okay, doctor. Please, doctor, do anything. Money should not be a problem. I will settle everything. Just save her life for me.
No problem, Mr. Say. What you will do, just do all the necessary payments to the cashier and everything will be fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Suddenly stopped. Huh?
Can't you get it? We've driven for a couple of hours from one hospital to another without luck. What do?
But Dad, it's not our fault she's not there now. Why are you making it look like we've done something wrong?
So you think you didn't do anything wrong? Huh? Listen, don't push me. Because I do not want to say something bad.
And why would you say something bad to her, Daniel? No, really, why? Do you realize that the girl in question is her sister? And she's my daughter. We're not just talking about your own daughter. We are talking about her sister and my daughter. So we will find her. Let's look for her. We're equally concerned.
Find her where?
Anywhere.
Anywhere, like where? Where her own sister abandoned her in the middle of the road.
Dad, I said I was confused. What do you want me to do? Would you rather I join her on the street or be happy I was the one in that accident?
It's okay. It's okay.
Do you need to talk? Because when you open your mouth and speak, I see a clueless person talking.
Daniel, can you stop blaming this girl? Can you stop blaming your child, your daughter, the remaining one as of now? Because you're making it look like you would have preferred them to switch places. Yes. I mean, if Clara was the one missing right now, you would be happy, right?
Both of you has nothing reasonable to talk about. Honestly, both of you are not making senses at all. Let's leave here.
Daniel, please. Just take it easy, okay? Just calm down. We will find her. Huh? Okay, just working yourself up like this is not going to help us. We can't find her like this.
Let's leave here.
Feel connected to you. I don't know why I feel like I know you. Or whatever the case is. Please get well soon. Get well so I can reach your people.
Danny. Grace. Danny, you don't have to keep eating yourself up like this. Huh? I don't like the mood I met you.
Grace, I shouted at her. I slapped her for the very first time. I guess she was lost in thought and she didn't notice an oncoming vehicle and ran into the vehicle that crushed her.
Danny, you were not there. And you have no idea what may have happened. Huh? You're just swimming in the big ocean of assumption and nothing but that. You're just assuming. Look, I think you should only be bothered about searching for her so we can find her and not stay here, put yourself in this kind of a mood and be eating yourself up. If I may ask, have you informed the police?
Yes, I have, and they're trying their best to find her. They've gone to places and they've gone to hospitals. They're still searching for her.
Oh, good. At least you've done the first and primary step. You understand? She will be fine, to the best of my knowledge. You don't have to be here eating yourself up. That is not the way out of issues. You understand? So, I'm sure she'll be fine. Ordinarily, people wouldn't just abandon her on the road. I'm sure the people who saw the scene must have taken her to the hospital. It's just normal, you know.
Grace, Ego means everything to me. I love her so much. Do you think she will make it?
Oh, yes. By God's special grace, she will. Stay positive.
If anything happens to Ego, I don't think I can survive it. Ego is the only connection I have with Joanne. So you understand why I'm feeling this way. Because Joanne will never, ever forgive me, even in her grave. She won't.
Danny, nothing will happen to her. We just have to be strong, be a man. You don't have to keep saying the same thing. Huh? Look, ordinarily people wouldn't just abandon her on the street. I'm sure they must have taken her to the hospital. And she'll be fine. You've done the basic thing, so don't stay here and just keep wallowing in assumption. It's not the way out. Be a man.
Sissy, you're beautiful from head to toe. Hey! Oh, Sissy, you're beautiful from head to toe. Baby shark. Dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum-dum-dum-dum-dum. Dum-dum-dum-dum. Baby shark.
Young lady. Young lady. Young lady. Hey. What do you think you're doing? What is the meaning of this? Huh?
Mom, I have to celebrate though. Do you think it's easy pushing that fool into a moving car? Eh? I did a good job. Now she's dead and gone forever.
And you don't think it is foolishness celebrating when you have not heard the news? Huh?
Mom, what news? I saw everything happen. Mom, she's dead. I'm sure by now she'll be in the mortuary. Dad is just wasting his time going to the hospital looking for her.
And let's assume what you just said is true. She's dead. And you think this is the best time and best place to celebrate? How stupid can you be? What if your father was the one who walked in now and saw you doing this? Don't you think it would take him nothing to put one and two together and know what happened? Huh? What have I been teaching you, this girl? Use your head. We have to pretend. We have to pretend like whatever it is that is going on right now is affecting us. That we are pained. So we have to play it natural. Huh?
Now, is it a bad celebrating after our success?
Even if you have to celebrate, young lady, not here. You go out somewhere and celebrate. Better still, don't celebrate yet. God, this girl, what have I been teaching you? Listen, I am not saying it is bad for you to celebrate, but it is too early. It is too early for you to celebrate. You have to take things, let things die down. Oh, there's nothing to rush. Yeah, because if truly she's dead, then we win. We have Daniel where we want him. Your father will have no choice but to love you, and we take over everything. And we'll have eternity to celebrate whatever it is you want to celebrate anyway. This is not how I handled it when I took care of her mother. Till date, I've not even celebrated, but I'm enjoying the fruit of my labor. Huh? Be wise about this girl.
Wait.
You killed Auntie Joanne.
Listen, you're a child. This is not the bone of contention. We're not going to talk about this now, okay? Now, we are going to talk about how proud you have made me. I mean, I'm so proud of you. Now you are showing me that you are indeed your mother's daughter. And I'm super proud of you. Okay? That's my girl. Come here. And then enough of this celebration. Take these things out quick.
No need to distress when I jump inside the bed. Peace in my heart, yeah. There are too many wars in the world. I know one start my own.
Ah, God. It's been a long time I had this. Thank you, Clara.
As long as you keep on standing by me, you'll be getting this every day. You needed to see her face. Immediately, I pushed her into the moving car. My mom said I can't celebrate at home. So here we are celebrating. Celebrating the death of Ego. She's dead and gone forever.
That's my friend. That's my friend.
Dead and gone? What is this I'm hearing about dead and gone? Is that the reason why she's not in school? I was actually coming to ask this girl why her sister is not in school. And I'm hearing dead and gone. Should I approach her? No. She will deny it. I need to find Ego. I need to know where she is. My heart is telling me she's not dead. She's not.
IPO, what are you talking about? That for hours you've not been able to find my daughter. No, I don't get it. Just tell me, why is the federal government paying you salary? Why? For protection of life and properties, isn't it? So why can't you find my daughter? What are you doing? Everywhere, find everywhere. Go to the hospital, go to the roads, search for her everywhere. All I need is result. IPO, listen. What are you doing at the moment? I think I have to do this work by myself. I think I'll do a better job than you. Yes, that's what I will do.
Honey, don't you think you're taking this thing too far?
How do you mean?
I mean, you just have to take it easy. Huh? Besides, I feel we are not looking at the right place right now.
Mabel, what are you talking about?
What I am talking about is... Listen, I know what I'm about to say now will appear me being insensitive, but I'm just being factual.
Okay.
I'm just trying to state the fact. Because we've been searching all hospital, going everywhere, looking for her, yet we can't find her. How about we looking for her at the mortuary? Honey, don't give me that face. There is no hospital in this town we have not gone to. We've virtually gone to all the hospitals, yet we cannot find her. I'm not saying anything has happened. I'm not saying she's dead, but at least to satisfy our curiosity, how about we go into the mortuary to check?
Mabel, why would you think of such? Huh?
Honey, like I said, I'm being factual.
It's okay, but I just pray let her not be at the mortuary.
I pray so too. Do you think I want to find my own daughter at the mortuary? But I just want closure. At least let me be sure I've gone all round every mortuary in this town and she's not there. Then I'll have hope. Maybe some good Samaritan is taking care of her somewhere. But for now, let's do that.
Hello. Where am I?
My name is not Stacy, and you're in the hospital. Thank God you're awake. How do you feel?
Why am I here?
Okay. You were run down by a hit-and-run driver, and I brought you here. What is your name?
Ego Daniels.
Ego Daniels. Okay, tell me, is there anybody I can call? Your father, your mother, aunt, uncle, any guardian? Is there anybody I can call? You have been here for 2 good days. I need to reach them, please.
I can't give you my father's number.
Oh, that's good. Okay, you know what? Please stay awake. Let me get my phone, okay? I'm coming. Let me get my phone.
I won't spend much time in the office, okay? I just finished with a meeting. I am going home straight from here to pick up my wife. Then from house we'll go to hospital to check for my daughter. Yeah, please, any further appointment or meeting should be cancelled, okay? All right, thank you. Hello? Yeah, who is this? What? You're with my daughter in the hospital. Hold on. Which hospital is that place? Is this your number? All right, fine. I am on my way right now. On my way. Okay. Thank you.
Hello, honey. No, I'm about getting ready for it. Yeah, the meeting I told you about. How about yours? How did it go? What happened? Oh my God. Where? What hospital? When? Good health. Okay, fine. Let's go there immediately, please. Huh? Where are you now? No need of you waiting for me. Let's save time. Let's meet at the hospital, okay? I'm coming there right away. Okay, baby. I'll see you now. I gave you a simple task. Simple task. And you could not deliver. You were not able to carry it out. What are you good at? No, really, what exactly are you good at?
What are you saying? I don't understand.
Oh God, what am I saying? What am I saying? You still don't get it.
Yes.
Ego is alive. She's alive. And she's been found. She's in the hospital. She's alive. Stupid girl! I told you, simple thing. Just make sure you...
How is that possible?
You're asking me.
I pushed her.
You pushed her. And what happened? So why didn't she die? And you're here asking me, how did that happen? No, sometimes I ask myself, how did I go wrong with you? No, are you sure you're my daughter? Because I don't understand. You can't do anything. You're useless. You are not good at being good. You're not good at being bad. So what exactly are you good at? Why are you standing there moping at me? My friend, I'm trying to kick you like a football. Useless child. Oh, God. God, what do I do?
How? How did she survive it? How? Why didn't she just die? Why didn't she just go and live our lives forever? I will not let her return. I will not. Never.
Baby girl, how are you? Are you okay? Can you talk?
How did this happen? Who did this? Did you see the vehicle? Huh? How are you feeling? Are you alright?
Dad, calm down. I didn't see anything. It was almost like someone pushed me from the back into the car.
Someone pushed you?
Not almost. Someone definitely pushed me. But I don't know who the person was.
Are you sure? Maybe...
What about the lady that called us on the phone? Where is she?
She had an emergency, so she has to leave. She'll be back later.
God bless her. Sweetheart, you got us scared. I mean, there is no part of this town we didn't look for you. We drove around practically everywhere. At some point, I now discovered new roads. Anyway, that's not the bone of contention. The good thing is you're fine, right? You're getting better. You feel better, right? Huh?
Yes, Mama.
Ah, thank God. Thank God.
Where is my sister? She's not here.
I asked her to go to school. I mean, she's been worried sick about you. But I had to tell her to go to school. You know, Clara on her own, she's already dull. Then telling her not to go to school for a couple of days would worsen the situation. So I had to tell her to meet up with school.
I'm sorry I wasn't there to protect you as a father. I'm sorry about that. I'm here for you now, okay?
Dad, you didn't do anything. What happened, happened.
Yes, what happened, happened. And we should let her rest. It's okay, stop talking, just rest. You need all the rest you can get, huh? Sorry, my love. Thank God. Honey, you know I told you I have an important and urgent presentation to do at work today. I need to go now because I'm running late.
Okay.
Sweetheart, I would have loved to stay, but your daddy is here. He's going to take care of you, okay? But I'm sure you're going to stay, right?
Okay, sure. I will stay with her. And I will be with you, okay?
Okay. And sweetheart, don't worry. After work, I will come, okay? Just be fine. Bye-bye. Okay, I'll see you later.
Right, love. Take care of yourself, okay? So it's easy, 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 easy.
As you can see, sir, she's okay. And I also want to thank you for coming around. At a point, I was really, really scared, but God came through for us.
I should be the one saying thank you here. And let me officially do that. Thank you very much. Thank you for everything that you did for me. Thank you, I appreciate that. You see, your type is quite rare. Yeah. You picked up my daughter from the accident scene, brought her here in the hospital, paid the bill, took care of her for good 2 days. What more can I say? That to say thank you so much. All right? And the bill that you paid, please, I will take care of it. I'll pay you back.
No, sir. That will not be necessary. But there are still more bills to be paid, so we can go to the cashier so you clear off that one.
Okay, please. Where's the cashier?
Let's go this way, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Hi, Ego. You're eating. I hope you like your food. You don't look too happy. You're supposed to be excited that your parents have found you. But on the contrary, you don't look happy. Why?
I am happy they found me. And I am happy I have seen them.
I wish you could have listened to yourself to know if you believe what you said or not. Now tell me, something is definitely not making you happy.
Can I trust you?
That's your choice, but definitely you can trust me.
Life can be ruthless, so unfair. I have to be strong. Oh, everything is not working out. Don't know what to do. Don't know who to talk to. Yeah, the ground is chasing me. The sky is chasing me.
I need to hurry with this food. I'm going to the hospital right now.
I wish I could fly away.
Again? Why, Dad?
What kind of question is that? Somebody needs to be in the hospital with your sister.
I thought there is a woman there taking good care of her. Let her do the work now.
The woman was only taking care of her because they couldn't reach any one of us. And now they've been able to reach to us. We have to be thankful for what she has done for us. We don't need to dump our responsibility on her. I expected you, the only sister, to be there, and you're here questioning me.
Honey, don't mind her. I mean, you're actually right. Someone has to stay with her. So you can go ahead. I would have volunteered to go in your stead, but I have an early morning meeting tomorrow. So I won't be able to meet up if I go.
Yeah, I need to do that. As a father, it's my responsibility. Come to think about it. Tomorrow is Saturday. What meeting are you having tomorrow being Saturday?
Oh, actually it's a very short meeting. We were supposed to have the meeting today, but the client had a very serious emergency. So we rescheduled for tomorrow. But it's a short meeting. I'll be very brief with it. From there, I'll go to the hospital.
All right. I have to go upstairs right now. Change and...
Why don't you try and finish your food?
No, I'm good. All right? Thank you.
It's okay, honey.
Okay. All right.
Oh, okay.
Look at him. Going to see her at the hospital. Huh? Even when she's sick.
Will you just shut up? Shut that thing you call a mouth. I've told you several times, listen. Listen more than you talk. At least if you try to earn your father's love by playing the good girl card, don't you think it will help our cause? No, don't you think that would make our job easier than it is? But instead of using your ears, you will use that tiny thing on your face more. Even when I was giving you signs, I got that sign. Stupid girl.
Mom, where are you going to?
To do what you couldn't do. Silly girl. Honey, you forgot your juice. You didn't finish it.
No, go ahead and drink.
You know our rule in this house, no wasting of food. Finish
That's
it.
why I said you should drink, huh?
Come on, I don't want to. I mean, just finish it.
That's okay.
I see you're getting ready to go. Okay. I'll wait for you downstairs, huh?
All right, love. Thank you. Why am I feeling sleepy all of a sudden?
Are you ready?
Yes, Mom.
You know exactly what to do. And for the sake of God, please do not disappoint me this time around.
I will try my best.
I don't need you to try your best. I need you to do what needs to be done. No mistakes this time. Do you understand?
Yes, Mom.
Out.
Help me!
Help me. Did she hurt you? Are you hurt?
No, I was already expecting it.
You were already expecting it?
So you refused to die. You just refused to die. I don't understand why you just don't want to die so everybody can be happy. Just die. Give up. You can't. I don't know what you're hanging in there for. Well, I don't blame you. I blame the useless Clara who couldn't handle simple task of pushing her into the car. Just push her and let the car finish it up. She couldn't do it. But don't worry. Don't worry because you're not living beyond today. You won't exceed today. Because tonight, Clara is coming to finish what she started. She will make sure she finishes what she started. Let's see if you will refuse to die again.
She also wished me dead. You that I'm willing to give my life for. You that I considered my bed mother, even though I know you are not. You wish me dead. You wish me evil, mother. Mother, why? Why, mother, why?
When you whispered into my ear the other day, I didn't believe you. But now, I am sure your life is at risk. With your family? But why?
That is what I don't know. I don't know why my life is in danger with them. But I know Clara won't go free. She will never go free.
And your mother?
At the right time, she will give me all the answers I seek. She will definitely answer to this one.
Okay. We need to call the police. We need to call the police before something happens to you.
We don't need to call the police. This is a family issue. So please don't call the police.
Okay, I understand. But how do you intend to handle this? If she made an attempt on you in the hospital, she would definitely repeat it when you get home.
That is why I say let me go home first. I will put her in a position that she will never make any other attempt on my life again. Please let it be. Do not call the police. For my father's sake.
How did it go? Is she dead? That's the question.
She caught me.
She did what? I don't understand. What are you talking about? She saw your face.
Yes, Mom.
She saw your face. Yes. Are you stupid? Is there anything you can do properly? No, is there anything at all you can do? This stupid girl. Oh my God. Are you this useless? No, are you this useless?
Mom, I tried.
You were sent to murder someone. And your victim saw your face. And you're here stupidly telling me she saw your face. The person you're supposed to murder, your victim, saw your face. Ha. Oh my God. Now let me tell you what is happening right about now. She's telling your father, and your father is calling the police, and the police are on their way to this place to arrest you. Now tell me, silly girl, what and how do you intend to save yourself? How?
Mom, I tried.
Really?
Immediately I got there, she was pretending to be sleeping. And when I tried to attack, she held my hand.
Will you shut it? Now, get out of my front before I strangle you to death, stupid girl. Get out! Finally, you are awake.
What happened? I was supposed to go to the hospital. How did I sleep off?
Well, after we spoke, I came back to the room and I found you fast asleep.
So Ego slept all alone in the hospital.
Honey, come on, you know I wouldn't let that happen. As a matter of fact, I'm just coming back from the hospital. I slept there.
Oh. Thank you very much. Thank you.
But
you're supposed to have a meeting today.
Well, the moment it dawned on me that I'll be the one going to the hospital, I had to send an email to my secretary to reschedule the meeting. So the meeting is not happening today anymore.
Thank you. I appreciate you so much.
Oh, stop it. She's our daughter.
But you would have woken me up regardless.
Well, sweetheart, you needed to have seen how tired you were sleeping. And if you were me, you wouldn't woke you up. Well, how do you feel now? Do you feel better?
Yes, I'm having this slight headache.
I think I know what you need. You need a hot chocolate. After taking it, then you sleep and rest.
Thank you. But you need to sleep as well.
Don't worry about me, I'll take care of myself. Let's start by undressing you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, young man. Who are you and what are you looking for?
Sir, my name is Clem. I'm a friend to Ego. She has not been in school. And I heard she had an accident. I don't know the hospital, so I came here to find out.
Oh, yeah. I'm actually heading to the hospital. If you don't mind, you can go with me.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You said You're a friend to Ego, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's okay. Let's go together.
Dad.
Baby girl.
Yeah.
Ego, how do you feel?
I'm fine. Dad, where is Mom and Clara?
I asked your mom to rest after spending the entire night with you here yesterday night.
Mom spent the entire night with me.
Oh, yeah. Oh? Didn't she spend the entire night with you here?
Yeah, I thought we were talking about Clara.
Oh.
Mom was with me all night, but she said she was going to return with you. So I thought she would come.
No.
What about Clara?
That one? Clara is becoming something else. Honestly, I do not want to talk about her again. Oh, meanwhile, let me go and see the doctor so they'll prepare everything for your discharge, okay?
All right then, thank you.
Hope you're getting stronger. That's my baby. I love you, okay?
Thank you, Dad.
All right. How do you feel?
I feel good. But seeing you now, I feel better. How did you know? Clara told you.
Yeah. You were absent in school. We asked, and she said you had an accident. At that time, she said the hospital wasn't known. I decided to go to your house, then I met your dad. He brought me here.
You went that far?
Yes. You had an accident. Admitted in the hospital. I should do more than that for you, shouldn't I?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I cannot stop thanking God. I am so excited. I mean, my princess is back home. Look at my beautiful daughter that the enemy wanted to take away from me. Ah, no, devil, you came late. You're going to be late.
Yes, sir. And I'm very, very happy. She frightened us. But it's well.
My sweet sister, how are you?
I am better. Besides, Clem came to the hospital to see me.
Clem did what? Why? Why did you allow him come close to you?
Hey, the young man came to the house and followed me to the hospital to see her. Is there anything wrong with that?
Dad, yes, everything is wrong with that. Everything is wrong with it. That Clem is a very bad guy. He should not be seen close to my sister.
The young man I saw doesn't look like that. He has home training. He's down to earth.
Dad, he's a cultist.
Cultist?
No, Dad. Clara must be imagining things.
Does the school have cultists?
Yes.
Honey, we just have to be careful, I mean.
Yeah, but the young man that I saw is so humble, down to earth.
Well, you can never tell, you know. It's not written on the forehead. We still have to be careful. Besides, Clara was just looking out for her sister. I mean, the sister bond is strong, looking out for her elder sister. Right? Right? Mm-hmm. Sisterhood.
Why are you angry?
What do you want?
I just want to hear from you which one aches the most. The fact that you pushed me into a moving car to kill me and I survived. Or that you made another attempt in the hospital but failed. or the act that Clem came to check on me? Which one hurts you the most?
You're lying. Yes, you are. If not, why didn't you tell father about it?
I don't want to get the third party involved. It's between us. Up until now, you have seen my love and my care. Now you're going to see a part of me that you never knew existed. You will pay for all your crimes, and I will be the one to punish you myself. Get ready, darling. Get ready.
Hi, Clara.
What are you doing here?
I'm here for Ego.
Get out. I don't want to ever see you in this house. She's not around. Go!
And who are you to decide that? Hi, Clems.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
As you can see, I'm fine. I'll be in school soon.
I missed you in school.
I missed you too.
You're definitely going to pay for this.
So, how's school?
School is fine. Oh my goodness. I can't wait to see you in school.
What are you doing? You want to kill yourself? I haven't even done anything to you yet, and you're already suicidal.
Get out! Leave me alone!
I will not let you kill yourself. It will be too easy for you. You are a strong girl. Why resort to stabbing yourself? Are you a butcher? Come on. More are coming. I never wanted to date Clem, but because of your attitude, I am going to date him and flaunt it before your face. So you need to be alive to see all of it. Get ready.
No!
What happened? Are you hurt?
You! I know you did this, right? Get me up now.
Come on. That's not the rule of the game. I can't hurt you and help you. It won't work. You have to remain here until your mother comes for you.
Wait.
I'm so sorry, my dear sister.
God will punish you!
Where's Clara?
Actually, I have not seen her since I got back from work.
Check for her, please.
Oh, okay, I would do just that.
All right.
Okay, let me check up on her.
Okay.
Sweetheart, what is it? What are you doing on the floor? What is it? Huh?
Mom, Ego poured oil on the floor and I slipped off.
Ego did this to you. But this is not in her character. I mean, it's not in her nature. This does not look like what she can do.
I know, but she has changed. She's not very wicked. Mom, you need to be careful. That girl is wicked. Oh, my back hurts.
Ego is now wicked. Anyway, it's okay. Don't worry about me. Let her try and find out. It's okay, it's okay. Sorry. Easy. Just take it easy, okay? Since when did this girl get this bad? Hold on, let me get you something. Daniel, seriously, you need to talk to that favorite daughter of yours because I can't take it anymore. This girl set my daughter up for a fall. And now she has broken her bone. She can't even walk. I asked her and she's lying about it.
Why did you say so?
Why did I say so? She poured oil on the floor of Clara's room. Now Clara stepped on it and she slipped. She can't stand up anymore. She's in severe pain. And I asked your favorite daughter, your special daughter, guess what she did? She lied about it.
Are you sure of what you just said?
Excuse you. What do you mean? Am I sure of what I just said? Am I lying?
You might be mistaken.
I am not mistaken because Clara clearly saw her pouring the oil on the floor.
If Clara saw her pouring the oil on the floor and she still went ahead to step on it and slip off, hey, try to marry these two things together. Does it make sense to you?
I am telling you what your daughter did and you're here defending her. Meanwhile, my daughter is hurting. What is all this?
Mabel, your daughter, my daughter. When did you start all this? Both are our kids. What changed?
You changed, Daniel. You changed. You call my daughter your daughter, yet you're not treating her like your daughter. Yes? Every day you call Clara your daughter, but you're not sure. The difference is clear. It's clear, and if nobody is going to defend my daughter, I'm going to defend her because I'm a mother. Since we want to differentiate, we want to cut parts. Let everybody defend their own. Daniel, my daughter is in pain. The only thing I'm asking of you is to caution your daughter. Tell her to mind herself because I don't want to do it myself.
Ego is injured. If you're talking about someone who has the tendency of doing this thing, that should be Clara. Ego didn't do it when she was strong enough. Why would she do it now that she's injured?
Excuse you. Did you just say my daughter has the tendency? Huh?
Mabel, our daughter. Our daughter, not your daughter. Our daughter.
Well, I don't care. But did you just say Clara has this tendency? This whole thing of our daughter, your daughter, that is exactly what you're doing. That is what you're saying.
Baby, please stop this. I am not cut out for this nonsense. What's all this?
You're not cut out for all this nonsense. Well, I don't care what you're cut out for. My only concern, Daniel, is that you caution your daughter. Because if a thing like this happens again, you will not like what I'll do to her.
Mabel? Mabel?
What do you want?
I came to massage your back so you will feel better.
I don't need your help. Go. I don't need your help.
I am not asking for your permission. You have not seen anything yet. You think you're the only one that have the monopoly to hurt people. No, darling. We all do. Yes. But home training and the fear of God will not let us. But if you push us too far, we might not be able to know how far we can go.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. Your place is lovely.
Oh, thank you. Sit.
Thank you.
All
Where's
right.
my angel?
Oh, she's fine. She's inside.
And your wife? I didn't get to see her the other day.
She's beautiful. I think she'll be coming soon, okay?
Hi, honey.
You're back.
Yeah. You're welcome. We'll have a visitor. Nurse. Hey. Wait. Honey? 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 Mabel.
Yes, dear.
What was the meaning of that?
Meaning of...
You know exactly what I'm talking about, Mabel. Both of you recognized each other and she ran away.
Honey, I really don't know why you're raising your voice. First of all, she was the one who saw me and ran away. And then I was like, I really don't... I mean, I didn't get what was...
Mabel, I saw the tension on your face right there. And the tension is still on your face. Tell me the truth. Do you both know each other?
Honey, like I told you, there's nothing there. I mean, you're making nothing out of something. Sorry, something out of nothing. It's nothing. Tension on my face? Nah, maybe it's because of the way you approached me.
Just pray. Pray, let it be nothing, because if I find out something bad between both of you, I swear you'll see the other side of me.
Excuse me. Please, did you see a nurse run past here?
You mean Nurse Tessie?
She was running, right?
Yeah, she ran out of the gate.
Oh, her name is Tessie.
Yes.
And that means you work here.
Yes.
Please, I need a favor from you. I need every detail about her. Here's everything you need to know about her. I want you to take care of her and do that as soon as possible, smoothly.
It's a done deal.
Listen, I need a clean job. Clean job. Else you will have me to contend with.
Clean job is what we do here. Not be chop.
Better.
With the show walking. Boy.
What do you mean by she left? Huh?
Madam, that woman not did stand again. We don't check all the whole corner finish. She know the. She don't go far, she don't come out.
I hope you're not joking with me. No, really, I hope this is not some type of game. Huh? Because if it is, Skull, you know me. You know me, we go get problem. Is this a play?
I don't tell you this thing before. We know they do church for you. I legit what they do. She don't meow.
Well, good riddance to bad rubbish. If what you're saying is the truth, though, the farther she goes, the better and safer for me. But Skull, I hope for your sake, you're not lying to me. Because you know me. You know what I can do. No, Tessie. I won't allow you come back to this town and destroy my life. I won't let you ruin everything I have worked for all my life. So this time, my darling, you have to die. You have to die for good. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, Dad. That is all I know. I have no idea where she stays. As for her number, you already have it. Why not call her?
I have called her severally, but she's not picking up her calls.
I'm sorry. She and I didn't talk much. But I know her house is not far from the hospital. It's about 15 minutes drive.
It's okay, no problem, okay? Oh, I will allow you to rest now.
Okay, Dad.
Take care of yourself. All right?
This is it. Let's try this. Let's try this one out. Okay. It's nice, Abby. Yeah.
What happened to you? You skipped school.
the thing that happened. What happened to me is not as painful as what I'm seeing now.
Hey, Daddy. How far? Is there any hope?
Grace. Since yesterday, I've been calling her phone, but it was switched off.
And have you gone to the hospital to make inquiry? Ask about her. Maybe she's not with her phone.
She doesn't work there.
I know, Danny. I know, but she must have dropped her details and address while she was at meeting Ego. Don't you think so? Her address must have been there.
You just made a valid point. Do you know I never thought about that for once?
Maybe you were carried away. Or got carried away though. Thank you. Take it easy.
I'm sorry, sir. I can't give you the information you seek. It's confidential.
Are you serious?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, how confidential do you want your death to be?
Sir. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you. I'll give it to you.
So you're ready to give me the address?
Yes, yes.
Or you want me to change your own address?
I'll give it to you.
Fast, 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 fast. Are you sure this is the address?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
My name is Daniel. I came to collect her address for Miss Tessie, who...
Please, sir, please, don't shoot me. Don't shoot me, please, sir. Please.
I shouldn't shoot you. I don't understand what you're talking about. Why on earth will I shoot you?
Some bad men, they came here to ask for our address. And when I refused to give it to them, they showed me a gun. Please, sir, if you have any gun with you, please don't shoot me.
Calm down, calm down. You said some bad men came here with a gun.
Yes, sir.
To collect her address.
Hello? Are you sure? Actually, yes.
I will get you your money by the end of the day. Expect it this night. Good. Honey, what is going on? I've been asking you and you're not talking. You're covered in blood. What is all this? What's going on? Huh?
She's gone.
She's gone. Honey, who is gone? What are you talking about? Because sweetheart, talk to me. What is going on? Whose blood is this?
They killed her.
They killed her. Daniel, you're getting me all confused. I don't understand what is happening here and I'm scared. Talk to me. Whose blood are you covered in? Who is gone? Who did they kill? What is happening? Huh?
Tessie is dead.
Tessie. By Tessie, you mean the lady that was here the other day?
The Tessie you know is dead. They killed Tessie.
Oh my God. What happened? How? Honey, what do you mean by they? Is this our blood?
Baby girl, I know how close you are to Auntie Tessie. I honestly don't know how to say this, but I will find a way to explain what happened. You see,
Auntie Daisy, what happened to her? What is it, Dad?
Just tell them. Actually, Auntie Tessie is dead.
Mabel.
Someone has to say it.
But not that way.
How way? She's not a child. She's a teenager. She should know. Sweetheart, Auntie Tessie is dead. I'm sorry about that.
Honey, calm down, okay? Calm down. Nothing happened to her.
Stop crying. It was an accident, you know. Everybody dies. It's quite unfortunate. I feel so sad. Such a beautiful lady.
It's okay. So, baby girl, it's okay. It's
I don't like to see you like this. I know she helped you, but you cannot challenge God.
She was a nice woman. She was there for me.
I know. But how did you get into that accident?
Maybe the car brake failed.
No. Someone pushed you.
Who told you that?
Clara said it. Overheard it. You are not shocked?
I already know about that.
And you are quiet?
This is between my family. It's between she and I.
But it's fine.
I will go straight to the point. So are you saying that my wife, Joanne, was killed by my current wife, Mabel?
Yes, sir. And that's the reason she attacked me, because she doesn't want me to speak up.
Jeez. But Shole's love Ego so much. Why would she do such a thing?
No, sir. She does not love anyone. She's not capable of giving what she does not have. Well, she attacked Ego while she was in the hospital.
What?
Yes. She used her daughter Clara to do that. But unluckily for her, Ego already knows her plan and she informed me about it.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Since when did you start this one? You just woke up and you left without saying a word to me. Since when did this start? You got me worried sick. What's going on? What happened? I was even calling all your numbers and you're not picking up.
Why?
Why what? I don't understand. Why what?
Why did you do it?
Honey, you're getting me all confused. Why did I do what? What are you talking about?
Mabel, she was your friend. She loved you so much. So why will you kill her on her weakest moment? Why?
Sweetheart, really, I don't understand where this is going. From the description you gave, you're talking about my friend. My sister from another mother. A friend I loved so dearly. Somebody so close to me. Someone I loved even more than I loved myself. Like I put her first.
Why did you kill Joanne?
I don't get it. What are you talking about? I mean, who is filling your head with this nonsense? I am talking about you leaving the house in the morning, early in the morning without telling your wife where you're going to, and you're shouting at me. What's going on here?
Tessie told me everything.
Tessie?
Yes. The Tessie that you know. Tessie, the nurse. She told me everything.
Hold on. You're getting me all confused. The Tessie you said is dead. I mean, dead men don't talk.
Unfortunately, Tessie is alive. Oh yes, she's alive. I intentionally lied to you. You know that unfaithful day when you went to that building to pay those men to murder Tessie. I trailed you. I followed you to that point. And so I tracked those boys to Tessie's house. As I was able to save Tessie, I took her to hospital. I intentionally lied to you because I know if I had told you the truth, you would still go after Tessie. So tell me, why did you do it? I want to know, why did you kill Joanne?
Why did you do it? Madam! Shut up! Yes, I did it! I did it! And so what? I killed her! And I don't regret it. Why? I do not feel any atom of remorse because if I am given the opportunity to do it again, guess what, Daniel? I will do it again, again, and again, and again!
You're my beautiful angel, you know.
Oh, you're so funny.
Mm-hmm.
Stop.
I won't stop because you are so sweet.
That's so Goodness.
Yeah, so.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. You guys should just let the singles break. This is choking.
You've not even seen anything.
Are you serious? My sister. So I'm still going to see more.
Of course.
Sorry, ma. Excuse me. Hello. I'm here. You have a visitor.
Sorry about that. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You care for some?
Of course, I would love to drink that if you can leave yourself.
All right, have this.
No, I'm good. I just need another glass.
Another glass?
Yes, my
All right.
own.
I'll get you one. Okay, sorry. All right, baby.
Yeah.
Let me get you a glass. All right. All right, baby.
Don't stay too long.
Okay.
Girl.
What's up with you?
The love is
What's up with
choking.
you?
I'm good, my love.
I miss you.
Oh, I miss you too. That's why I came anyway. Girl, what's going on? Nah. You don't fall. Hey, my darling. I didn't know you have this so much love in you.
Why not?
But honey, don't you think you're falling too sudden? I mean, you're falling head over heels for this guy. It's too much. If you ask me, as a sister from another mother, I'm telling you, it's too much. And I would like to give you a piece of advice. Because if tomorrow this guy, you find out that he's cheating on you with other girls, the disappointment will be much. You will feel it.
No.
So you should slow down.
Not my Dan.
Oh, you're Dan. Is that what you call him now?
Yes. Dan means everything to me. He takes care of me. He adores me. He wouldn't even look at any other woman. So please, keep that thought to yourself, okay?
Oh.
He is the best man ever. And I feel so blessed to have him.
Aww. I'm so happy for you, my love.
Yeah.
Anyway, like I said, I am just looking out for my sister, my darling sister from another mother. And you know I love you.
I know that.
I got you.
I know that. Mabel.
What is it?
Mabel,
okay,
baby.
Just let it out. Let it out.
Mabel, I have good news.
I knew it.
Don't worry. Don't worry. I will be the one to announce the good news.
We have good news.
Oh, yeah.
What is it?
And my woman is pregnant.
Are you serious? Oh, come on.
My friend.
Oh, you pregnant? Yes.
I'm so happy for you, my sister.
You don't know how happy I am.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah.
It is just God. Nothing God cannot do.
Oh, what he cannot do does not exist.
You know, the most beautiful woman in the whole world is carrying my baby.
Aww.
I love you too.
Can I have a word with you?
Of course.
Yeah.
I'm sure you want to, find a way to settle me. As the one who arranged it. I mean, have you forgotten? I connected the two of you. I made this happen. And you should be giving me my credit.
But what's with the secret now?
Don't worry. It's something personal, okay?
You're going to tell me whatever it is you guys have.
Don't worry.
We're going to talk about that.
Don't worry. We're just going to, Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now, what's with the secrecy
Don't
now?
worry.
Let's
I am coming.
Let's talk. Okay, we are coming.
All right.
What's up?
I need your help.
On what?
Of course, you had me say that my wife is pregnant, right?
Yeah, congratulations. I'm so happy for you.
I want to surprise her.
You want to surprise her?
Yeah. I want you to help me suggest something, okay? I want to buy her either a car or a house. Which one do you think is better?
A car
or a house?
Oh, wow. I think a car is better.
A car?
Yeah.
Right?
You guys already have a house.
Alright, so you're going to help me plan it, okay? Okay. Let me go back.
Okay, let me just put myself together so she doesn't suspect.
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Let me just...
Okay, thank you. Alright. Yeah.
What's with the secrecy?
Don't worry, something personal.
So, why did you need to take her out to talk?
Come on.
She's my friend.
I know. Don't be scared.
Oh my God! That was when I decided to end her life. I decided to kill her, which I did. But unfortunately for me, that stupid nurse, Tessie, walked in. She saw everything. I tried to kill her too, but I couldn't. She was smart. She was smart to run out of town. And I couldn't find her. Then I had to devise a way, a means to get into your life. To get you to marry me. And that was when I volunteered to take care of your daughter, Ego. And to tell you the truth, Daniel, That was the most difficult and painful task I have ever had to do in my life. Because looking at that girl every day of my life reminds me of the traitor I called a friend. But I had no choice. I had no choice. I had to play along.
I don't care to know. But listen, Mabel. The law must take its course because I must get you arrested. Honestly. I must arrest you.
Do you want to get me arrested?
Of course.
Daniel, after everything we've been through, do you even know I did everything I did because of you? Don't you think taking care of your daughter, it's enough for me to pay for my sin?
Mabel, your sins are too numerous to count, including your attempt to kill Ego in the hospital.
Which was the biggest mistake I ever made. If only that stupid girl, if only the stupid girl I sent to take care of the task had done exactly what I told her to do, we wouldn't be in this mess. I wouldn't even be having this conversation with you. And sometimes I wonder the stupid blood that actually runs in that girl's vein.
Of course! Your blood runs in her veins. She is your daughter.
Hold on a minute, Daniel. You think Clara is my daughter?
What are you talking about?
Oh, come on, honey. The joke is on you. I lost the pregnancy I carried for 9 months. I lost the baby. And I needed a baby to solidify my stay in this house. In your life, Daniel, I had to buy a baby from a dead mother.
No!
Hey! From a nurse, actually, who sold a dead woman's baby to me. That's how Clara came about. So now you understand all I had to do to make sure that I was in your life. And stop pretending like you don't know what I'm talking about. mean it, Daniel? You think Clara is my daughter?
What are you talking about?
Oh, come on, honey. The joke is on you. I lost the pregnancy I carried for 9 months. I lost the baby. And I needed a baby to solidify my stay in this house. In your life, Daniel, I had to buy a baby from a dead mother.
No!
Hey! From a nurse, actually, who sold a dead woman's baby to me. That's how Clara came about. So now you understand all I had to do to make sure that I was in your life.
It's okay. Stop crying, okay? I know what happened here was quite painful. I am not happy about it either. But we cannot stop the law. The law must always take care of situations like this. But don't worry. We'll be fine, okay? And you will be fine as well.
She told you the truth about me. I'm not your child. I'm not your blood. So tell me, what will become of me?
It's okay. You are my child. As long as you have lived under my roof, as long as I've been the one that raised you up, you're my child. And you will always be my child. Listen, we do not need blood ties to be family. We are family already. But as long as you're ready to stop the hate, the drama, and as long as you're ready to reform, I'll always take care of you as my daughter. I promise you that. Okay? It's okay. It's okay. I love you, okay? It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying.
What do you want? Do you need anything?
Growing up, I have always considered you my sister. And I felt lucky to have one. Today, we found out something different. But like Father said, you are still a member of this family. And you are still my sister. But this time, I want us to be sister in all sense of the word.
What are you saying?
came to see my sister and to befriend her. Will you be my friend?
So, after everything I did to you, you still want to be close to me?
Yes. Because anger between sisters is superficial.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Forever MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join our Forever MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@forever.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Our Forever MCN, your home of content creators.
No need to the stress. I wanna jump inside my cake, with peace in my heart. Yeah, there are too many wars in the world. I know one start my own. One step in.